Hi, my name is Venu. Today we will discuss about domain of inverse trigonometric functions. These functions have strict bounded domain that are tested often. Sine and cosine inverse for y is equal to sine inverse of f of x or y is equal to cos inverse of f of x. Condition. It is lie between minus 1 and plus 1, which means minus 1 less than or equal to f of x less than equal to 1. Secant and cosecant inverse for y is equal to secant inverse of f of x or y is equal to cosecant inverse of f of x. Condition f of x greater than equal to 1 or f of x less than equal to minus 1, which means it is not lie between the 1 and minus 1. f of x, f of x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. Tan inverse. It is defined for all real x. So x belongs to R. There is no restrictions and from the function itself. General combinations in JEE functions are rarely standalone, they are combined. Intersection rule. If y is equal to f of x plus g of x or y is equal to f of x into g of x or y is equal to f of x minus g of x. In above any condition, it is a domain must be domain of f intersection domain of g. Division rule. If y is equal to f of x by g of x, domain of f intersection domain of g, you can remove the x such that g of x is equal to 0. Means g of x where it is 0, you can remove. Let's move to the problem solving. Find the domain of real value function. F of x is equal to square root of logarithm of 5x minus x square by 4 base 1 by 2. Condition 1. The logarithm argument for log a to define a must be strictly positive. So 5x minus x square by 4 is greater than 0. So 5x minus x square is greater than 0. When 4 is transposed 4 into 0, it will be 0. That's why. And take x common, x into 5 minus x is greater than 0. Now change the 5 minus x as x minus 5. So the inequality will be changed. So x into x minus 5 is less than 0. From condition 1, x lie between the 0, 5. Condition number 2. The square root, it is a one of trap. For root b, be defined as a b must be non-negative. Logarithm of 5x minus x square by 4 base 1 by 2 is greater than equal to 0. Now we remove log. It is a critical trap because the base is 1 by 2 which is less than 1. The inequality sign flip when you exponentiate. So 5x minus x square by 4 less than or equal to 1 by 2 whole power 0. 5x minus x square by 4 less than or equal to 1. 5x minus x square less than or equal to 4 when you transpose the 4 on the side. After solving the equation, we get the solution given above. Please check it. The final solution is x belongs to 0, 1 union 4, 5.